It is currently week 4 of me doing this every single trading day after every single trading day, and I cannot stress it enough. The amount of growth that I have seen from me myself within these 4 weeks has been immense, and I thank you guys for supporting me. I thank you guys for continuing with me on this journey. Again, this is my journey. This is my personal journey. I don't really care about what anyone else's journey is doing or what anyone else's journey looks like. This is my own personal journey. It's unique to me. Everyone's going to learn at different phases. Everyone's going to learn, put in different amount of work into their trading career. A lot of people are going to learn differently, so never compare yourself to my journey or anyone else's journey you see. Regardless, don't compare yourself to anyone else's journey. Do not. You're your own unique person. You have your own story. You have your own life to live. And now with me, Yap, and let's get right into it. Also, one last thing, I do have a new Discord. It's in my bio. It's in the description. It's completely free. Only join if you trade ICT concepts on NQ and ES. It's completely free. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Completely free in the description. So if you think that you would provide value to my server, then I would highly recommend that you join it. Completely free. But anyways, yeah, here's my Discord that I just had popped up. Bro, today. What do I suffer from the most? What do I suffer from the most? It's kind of this narrative that I tell myself between live and demo account. I have this like two little versions in my little versions little versions in my head of like demo account, live account. What should I be doing here? Oh, I'm just back testing price. Oh, but bro, I gotta be real with myself. Me telling myself that I'm just back testing price and I'm just looking at what price is doing is only causing myself poison. I should be I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what my next moves are. I'm really just focusing on improving, seeing things happen time and time again. I'm not really focusing on the results. So that's kind of where I'm at. But today, I'm not mad about. Today I took like two little small trades on the demo account. I took two little small trades on the demo account, and we'll go over both of these. But I did not take this. I did not take this. Don't think that I took this. But I was looking to take it. I was looking to take it. I would have taken it, and I would have. So I'm not. We'll kind of go from the start of the day. From the start of the day, we're selling off. We had a beautiful pre-market trade. I posted in the Discord. Let me show up the chart annotation. But look at this. We have an SMT at high. We're rejecting off of a higher time frame imbalance. And now price has a reason to head lower because of this SMT. We form an SMT. This is your first entry off the soup. And then we displace lower. We create an imbalance. Boom. Tap it perfectly to sell side. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We also have a reason to go lower because we're rebalancing to equilibrium on a higher time frame. And we're rebalancing to this imbalance here. And we're also generating liquidity within this. So I thought that was beautiful. Again, I post chart annotations every single day in the Discord, and I recommend that you do as well if you are in my free Discord. So right after that happens, we're kind of just waiting. I'm kind of just waiting. I want to see how we're going to react off of this 15-minute imbalance. If we look at this 15-minute imbalance, I'm looking to see, are we going to hold this? Are we going to hold this? And that's really going to tell me what the bias is. Now we kind of have stacked liquidity up here. We have resting liquidity up here. We have this high, and we also are within that imbalance. I think that we're going to play patty cake within these two imbalances, and that's what we end up doing today. So how are we going to react off of this is the first thing. And what validates this model very well is the SMT at the lows. This is not a valid model unless we have an SMT at the lows. And here's when I went a little bit wrong. I am looking at this 15-minute imbalance way too much throughout the day. I'm like, if we displace above it, then we're going to run to this high. But the reason why I don't really care too much about this 15-minute imbalance, yes, it's cool. It's cool to look at this and be like, yeah, we should be cautious here. Like, this is very insignificant because we're going to play out this model, buy side of the curve. I had a great recognition of the model today. It's just kind of how price got delivered today. I'm not disappointed in it. It's just something I need to work on and I need to see. But I am not mad about anything that happened today. I'm not. So we have an S&T at lows. And this is then when I see we have generated buy side. So if we look on the internal action, we have a market maker buy model and an already existing market maker buy model. So I'm able to stack models, and this is then when we can get our best entries. I'm pretty sure I took a trade here. After we had an SMT here, I took a trade here, and then I got stopped, and then I tried to take another one here, trying to catch the low of this. Notice. These legs up are just generating more liquidity. These legs up are just generating more liquidity. Yes, we have an SMT at this moment. But to be fair, I was taking this on the demo account. I was testing my conviction, but this is a struggle I have in my trading. I'm like, demo or live, and I think I should just go strictly to live. I say, screw this narrative I'm telling myself of that I need to have more time. I need to spend more time, which I think I should have more time on the demo account. But if I'm now integrating like demo versus live, what's A+ versus what's not, I don't know either, because I feel like I should give myself a little bit more time. This is what I'm going to decide over the weekend. I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. But I'm really going to think about, should I be on demo? Should I be on live? I should just make a strict decision of whether or not I should be on demo or live. Because yes, this is okay. So now I can learn from this. Buy enter here, trying to go long, because we have this SMT now. But this doesn't really mean anything until we get this displacement up. This displacement up is what I'm really looking for to tell me that the draw on liquidity is this high. This displacement up is exactly what I'm looking for. I have this breaker marked in here, so I really want to see us bounce. And that's what we do. I'm now looking to take a long at this breaker for value gap. We obviously never return back into this. We never return into it. And this is kind of just unlucky. Price never really gave us an entry. Again, we kind of move up, and then we create these equal lows. I was wanting this to be the soup. I would have taken this as a soup to go to buy side here. I was looking for this to be the soup all day. I was looking for this to be the soup. And then we come back down, and I'm looking for these equal lows. Again, this is like, I guess not. I can't use a measure. This is a whole like 12 minutes that I'm looking for these now to be equal lows for us to soup. I'm really looking for this. To be the soup. I'm looking at this to be the soup. That's all I'm looking for. I'm not looking at any of these entries because I'm really picky with it. You can go back within the live stream. I'm looking for this to be the soup. I'm being very picky here. I'm not looking at any of this. I want us to take this low internal liquidity to target this. And we kind of have a breaker imbalance here that ends up working out. I noticed this in real time, but I'm not going to take this in a premium within this range. The only thing that I can take within a premium of this range is a turtle soup, is a run on stops. And we do respect this, and then we go to buy side. Respect this and go to buy side. This is when I'm no longer really looking. I'm like, hey, NQ has finished this model. This is invalid because we're in an already existing buy model. Because ES is within the internal model within ES, where we're still within this model within ES, so this is still valid. Again, we took buy side here, so I stopped looking at it. I literally stopped. I'm like, I'm gonna go on with my day. I kind of exited around here, and look at what price does. Look at what prices. Look at the efficiency. With the soup of what I was looking for, those equal lows. And this isn't something for me to get discouraged about. I don't have FOMO over this whatsoever. This is a learning opportunity for me. Because ES, and okay. This goes completely against yesterday. The same thing happened to me. I don't know if it was yesterday, but I think it was at least 2 days ago. But we had, I think it was yesterday. So it was when ES had completed the model. Then we had an SMT at the highs. So I was looking for this model to still be valid for us to go to another high. It's kind of interesting because I was trying to learn from my mistake yesterday, but my mistake from yesterday didn't apply today. We have an SMT at the high. So I'm no longer looking to engage within this model because we've already taken it. But the reason why I can still have confidence to take this turtle soup and why I still should have been looking to take this turtle soup, because this is exactly what I should be looking for. I shouldn't be discouraged by this, but this is exactly what I should be looking for. But the reason why I can disregard that we have taken this high, this is internal liquidity within this range. This is really insignificant. This doesn't really matter that we took this tiny high because we're thin this model on the higher time frame, if that makes sense. It makes sense to me. This is my journal. And on ES, we are still within the market maker buy model on ES. So just because we have souped the low here, or just because we have taken buy side here within this little internal model, goes against the already existing higher time frame. And I should have been, I wouldn't say I should have been because I don't know any better, because I'm learning. And it's okay to make mistakes like this. And it's completely okay for me to learn from what happened yesterday. But what invalidates this is because we're already within this model on the higher time frame. We already are. So, again, very efficient price action. I was looking for an entry down here. I noticed the model. I wanted to get bought up to this high. That's exactly what happened. I looked at what was happening today. My bias was correct. I didn't get offered any entry point down here. That's completely okay. We pretty much had one entry today. Yes, you kind of could enter on this inverse fair value gap or like a shift in market structure here. But we only had like one good entry today. That's all we were offered was the soup. In fact, that I was looking at this earlier. I'm not mad about today. I'm not mad about today. Today is a learning experience. Today is a day for me to get better. But here are the mistakes that I'm making today and I made today. I have this narrative with the demo versus live mentality. That's something that I struggle with personally. That's something that I struggle with as a trader. Demo versus live. What should be taking demo versus live? Should I even be in a live account right now? I don't know. Personally, I think that I should be taking A+ setups on my live account like I have been. Anything else should be on the demo account. Anything else on the demo. I am going to do that for at least 3 more weeks. Or I think I should have this for at least like 2 more weeks. At least. I'm still kind of new. I'm getting in the groove. I'm learning. I'm improving every single day. The more I see happen, the more it's going to click in my brain. And there's no reason for me to try to rush things, me to listen to what other people are saying, because I know that I will become successful as a trader if I put in the work that I know that I will put in. So I'm not here to rush things. I'm not here to rush into a live account, to rush my process, because why will that benefit me in the long run? It'll hurt me more than it will benefit me. And yes, being in a live account honestly wouldn't be a bad thing if I'm risking micros. Maybe I do a funded account, maybe I do an eval. But personally, if I focus on the process, becoming a better trader, I know that I shouldn't be caring about the results that I'm getting, my P&L. Was my demo account up or was it down? I'm just strictly here to get better. Read price action. Bro, I will sit on the sidelines for 2 months if I have to. I will sit on the sidelines for 4 months if I have to, just to sit here, soak in price action, see what's happening, get better every single day. Then, when the time comes, I'll have confidence. I'll have confidence. I'll be confident with my edge because I'm not ruining anything right now. And that's what I'm focusing on. Like, I don't care about anything. And also, mistakes I made, what would be invalidating this model? This model, for us to take this internal high, still does not invalidate the already existing buy model that we're having. A lot of people are seeing this move down. We just took internal liquidity. Yeah, we're going to go down to this low. But no. We're within this already existing buy model. I'm not discouraged about today. Today was a good day. I was able to see what we were doing. We also had the seek and destroy model. Yeah, seek and destroy. I think so. Okay. And then also, trusting what I'm confident in. I was confident in that we were having this higher time frame buy model. All of a sudden, I see one piece of evidence, and then it ruins my conviction. Trust the model. Notice the model. Once I notice the model, trust the model. If the model doesn't play out, okay, we learn. What to work on, show up every single day and continue to get better. Do this every single day, get better every single day, and not focusing on the results at all. Don't worry about, am I up today, am I down? Strictly just learn from my mistakes. This is my journey. I'm posting my journey on social media. Yes, people are going to say all sorts of shit to me. All sorts of shit to me. People are going to say this. They're going to say that. They'll be like, oh my gosh, what are you doing here? Like, bro, I'm just focusing on becoming better. I know that over time, I will do it. If I put in the work, I know that I will put in. If I do. What's good, Kenny? What's good, Kenny? Okay. Welcome. Trades that I took two little longs here. Low size on the demo, which I shouldn't. Those are the type of things that, like, why am I trying to catch the bottom of the move for a turtle soup? Why am I trying to catch the bottom of the move for a turtle soup? The only reason I should be taking a turtle soup or be looking to take a turtle soup is once the model is clear. Here, the model is clear. This is me trying to bottom tick the model straight to buy side. The only reason I should be validating or be looking to take a turtle soup is when we're within the model. I'm going to write that down. The only reason I should be looking to take a turtle soup, is when we are already within the proven model. Do not try to bottom tick or top tick lows because we have an SMT. Today, I was trying to do too much. I was looking at this like, granted it was on the demo, but that's what I need to work on. My demo versus live mentality. But if I get better, it is what it is. It's impossible to fail if you give your 100%. I agree with that because a lot of people never tap into their 100% because putting 100% of your effort into this or into anything in life, bro, is nearly impossible. Nearly impossible. And I mean like 100%. Giving it your all every waking second. dedicating your life to it. And those are likely the people that are going to be at the top. And I don't put 100% of my effort into this. I will say I put a lot of my effort into it, but I mean, to say that you're really giving 100% of your effort, like, we all know that we're lying when we're saying we're putting 100% of our effort into this. 100%. 100% of your effort. Because 100% of your effort is very hard to do. Almost impossible, in my opinion. Because we truly limit ourselves so much. Us as humans, everyone, we limit ourselves so much. And it's easier said than done. 100%. But yeah, that's kind of the price action that we had today. Again, SMT at lows, displacement higher. This displacement in market structure shift shows me that we want to run to this high. I was looking for the breaker to enter. We never returned here. This would have been a good setup. I was actually going to take this on a live account, and then I was looking for this turtle soup here to take a trade. That's what I was looking for. I was being picky. I wasn't going to take anything here. Then, once we barely took this internal high within this already existing buy model, I was no longer looking for this turtle soup. It ends up being the soup. We run to highs very efficiently. So, what to learn from today? Since we are already within this higher time frame model, just because we take this internal high, you need to have more confidence in this model, and that's okay. That's okay. Part of it is just experience thing. Like, showing up and getting better every single day will make me a better trader. Like, bro, I'm not all of a sudden going to be in my career being able to take turtle soups very efficiently and be able to read price action very efficiently. Like, yeah, this is modest. This is modest to see us taking a high and be like, yeah, I'm no longer looking to take this model because this high has been taken. But the reason why I can take this, or I should have been looking to take this still, is because on the higher time frames, we still have reason to go higher because of this generated buy side. And hey, it is what it is. It's something to learn from, something to grow from, something to work on. This week, I didn't take any trades yesterday. It was FOMC. I took on demo account. I didn't take any trades Tuesday. I'm not going to count FOMC because this was strictly on demo account. This was strictly me trying to test FOMC. I took one trade this week, pretty much. I've taken one trade this week. I guess you could count these, but I don't know. I'm kind of in my head too much about this demo versus live, but I know that if I put in the work every single day, if I show up to get better every single day, that this little whole demo versus live narrative will slowly fade away. This is kind of just essential for me right now. Once I learn price better, then I can hop in a live account. But I also can't be afraid, bro. Like, if I'm risking micros, at some point I'm gonna have to hop into a live account. But when am I ready? I'm not trying to rush this. I'm strictly gonna become better, and I'm gonna become lethal when I go into a live account. Because of my convictions there, I've been building upon everything within the past weeks. I'm not here to rush it. I'm not here to rush this. Yeah, that's kind of the price we had today. Like, pretty clean in my opinion. Pretty clean. I had great recognition of price. It's just I didn't get the entry I was looking for. I didn't get the exact entry I was looking for. That's good. That's good. So I didn't take anything. That's good. That's good. Continue to get better every single day. That's what we're doing over here. I don't really have anything else. Again, it's about to be the weekend. Gonna have a good rest of my weekend. Gonna grind, and as well as spend some time out of the markets as well. I think that's very important. But anyways, I appreciate you guys very much. We will be back at it Monday fun day, and I just appreciate you guys, and I hopefully you guys have a good rest of your weekend.